So step one, at the top of the detector, you may have a small pin that'll look just like this guy. If so, you just want to pull that out of this little hole and then throw it away. You don't need to keep this. The smoke detector will then twist off and it'll be attached to these little wires. Just pinch those and pull, and then it will come off. Once you have the detector down, remove this small cover. Pull this tab and take the old battery out. Take your new battery and then line it up so that it matches the diagram on the inside, so that you have your plus side matching the plus side and your minus side matching the minus side. Make sure that it covers this small red tab and the ribbon. Press it in, close your latch, and then re-plug in the wires. And twist on, and you're good.